Hello friends, I would like to acquaint you with the recipe for the original Tenderness salad with egg pancakes, which give a very interesting taste to the salad. This salad can also be categorized as a low-carb menu. Boiled chicken fillet until tender, cook for about 20 minutes after boiling. Boiled chicken can be replaced with smoked fillet. Cut the onion into small cubes. So that the onion does not taste bitter, pour boiling water over it and leave it for 10 minutes. Then drain the water, rinse the onion in cold water. Eggs are broken into a separate container, then they must be beaten and slightly salted. Now let's fry the egg pancakes. To do this, pour the whipped mixture into a frying pan preheated with vegetable oil in portions, and fry the pancake first on one side, then turn it over, and fry the other side. Cool the finished pancakes, cut them into strips, and put them in a salad bowl to the onions. Finally chop the boiled and cooled chicken fillet into cubes and send to the salad bowl. I add finely diced cucumber to this salad, it will give the salad freshness. Now add mayonnaise or sour cream, it is already according to your preferences and mix. Bon appétit! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you!